Craft stunning comics effortlessly with this free AI creator. Want to create wonderful comics with the help of artificial intelligence? Then stay tuned to know more. Since the dawn of humanity, storytelling has been a part of our daily lives. We tell others about our personal experiences, our feelings, our hopes and dreams, and all other stuff. The things we have seen on the daily, the experiences of other people, and even mundane things such as the hot weather, anything can be a story. Stories are an expression of who we are. Our ideas, emotions, and experiences are what make each story unique. You can even recognize what a person is like based on the stories that they tell. The essence of a person's true self is sprinkled upon the stories and expressions he opens up to other people. Communication really is an important thing to us, and it's evident in how technology has shaped us today. We now have vast libraries, information technology, and of course, internet connections. There are so many ways that we can communicate with other people in this digital age. Just imagine how difficult it was to communicate back then. We had to solely rely on telephones and handwritten mail in order to communicate with other people. What also makes this digital age better is that all types of media forms have advanced too. Films, journalism, and even literature have advanced thanks to modern technology. If you're familiar with our channel, or with the field of AI in general, then you would know how impactful it has been to media. AI has helped to optimize a lot of processes, which include content creation and generating art and inspiration. And in line with what we said earlier, did you know that there are a handful of AI tools that can help you create art and tell stories? Yes, we guarantee that they exist. If you're interested, then stay tuned until the end to know more about it. Hello to all techno geeks and aspiring creatives. Welcome back to the amazing AI channel where we mainly talk about artificial intelligence and all things related to it. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. Creativity and technology often come hand in hand during projects that take a lot of effort and inspiration. As humans, we have our limits too. We can't always scrutinize every single tiny detail in our work, which is why we need time and technology to help us out. Thankfully, we have a lot of tools for that in this digital age we are living in. Today we'll be diving into the world of free AI tools that can help you out in your creative endeavors. Specifically, these are AI Comic Factory and Ideogram.ai. These tools offer immense storytelling potential and can solve some of the common problems that AI art tools face. You won't want to miss this, so let's get started. In order for us to provide you with more AI content that interests you, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Our journey begins with AI Comic Factory developed by Julian Bilk. This remarkable AI comic art generator, which is available on Hugging Face, is a game changer for comic enthusiasts. The best part? It's entirely free. Comic Factory boasts a variety of styles, each with its unique flavor. It's similar to Midjourney in the way that it generates creative outputs with the help of text prompts. These comic panels don't take long to generate and can be done in less than a minute. As for the style of the generated comics, we have a list of what AI Comic Factory has to offer. First, we have the Japanese style. With a classic manga vibe, this style is a nod to old school manga aesthetics. Expect to see a lot of monochrome colors here, such as black and white and gray. If you're familiar with anime, then this is basically it, but drawn on pages. A lot of human features may seem more animated and exaggerated rather than realistic. It's a very dynamic style, so it's very fun to experiment with. The second style is the Franco-Belgian. Reminiscent of metal hurlant or heavy metal, this style exudes a Mobius-inspired essence. It's recommended for stories with a more serious science fiction theme. The third style is American Modern. This style is perfect for fans of Marvel and DC. This style offers a superhero-centric vibe and really feels energetic when it comes to action scenes. For the fourth style, we have the American 1950s. Just as the name implies, it's a retro style. Although some say it's more inspired by the era than an accurate representation. It's a mix of cartoonish characters and often realistic backgrounds. The fifth style is the Flying Saucer. This style mirrors early comic book art, bringing back the vibe of EC Comics, bold and strong. It leans more into works that delve into the world of supernatural beings. All types of scary stories can definitely fit right in with this style. Style number 6 is Humanoid. It's a modernized version of Franco-Belgian, with a touch of humanoid style. There may be a lot of similarities to it, so feel free to experiment when using both of these styles. The seventh style is Haddock, which is a tribute to Captain Haddock. This style has a distinct Tintin-esque charm. Realistic proportions and solid lines can also be seen in this style. And last but not least is the 8th style, which is the Armorican. While the origin of this style is a bit mysterious, it's undoubtedly intriguing. It seems to fit well with more historical themed comics. Not only did you get an overview of the styles that AI Comic Factory has to offer, But you also got a quick art lesson. Pretty good deal, don't you think? But now let's delve into the Marvel method that may improve our experience with the AI program. AI Comic Factory excels when given shorter prompts instead of intricate storytelling. However, there's a clever workaround. You can utilize a modified Marvel method by generating scenes multiple times with slight variations to create a unique narrative. This collaborative approach with AI can lead to compelling comic book stories. It takes some trial and error, but it can benefit you a lot when it comes to more detailed project inspirations. With all that in mind, let's get started with crafting your comics. You can export the generated comic pages as PDFs, which are upscaled to 2321 by 3068 resolution at 300 dpi. While the AI doesn't create fully coherent narratives, it provides a foundation that you can edit and arrange to craft your comic stories. Even if you don't fully use its functions, they can still serve as great sources of inspiration for your stories. So, how are you liking your first creative tool so far? With how convenient and diverse it is to create various comic panels, we are sure that it can be very beneficial to artists looking for inspiration. How about you? Would you be using this application for your next creative venture? Let us know in the comments below. Now back to the video. As you have heard earlier, we will also be talking about another AI application that can help your creative activities. Introducing Ideogram.ai with its AI image generation capabilities. Developed by former Google Brain employees, Ideogram.ai tackles a common issue faced by AI art tools, which are text prompts. This tool provides versatile AI image generation and lets you choose from 3 aspect ratios: vertical, square, or widescreen. Plus, it offers various styles to give your images a distinct look. This program can really help you stretch the limits of your imagination. There are limitless creative possibilities when it comes to this application. Ideogram.ai enables you to generate images based on text prompts. It's a fantastic tool for creating custom logos, designing t-shirts, stickers, and even graphic design tasks. You can mix and match styles for a unique visual identity. What's even better is that it's free and easy to use. The developers really want to help people with bringing out their creative side with the use of generative AI, and they don't want to limit anyone from doing so regardless of their creative skills. The power of Ideogram.ai text prompts is pretty decent overall. Although Ideogram.ai excels with shorter text prompts, it can occasionally introduce AI-generated text errors, particularly with longer words. However, in simpler words, it generally performs admirably. The community has been having fun with text prompts, resulting in some amusing and unexpected creations. So if you want to experiment on the limits of what Ideogram can do with such little amount of text, then we encourage you to do so. It can be a bit more difficult with more detailed prompts, but with enough time, Ideogram can advance to even greater heights. And that wraps up the creative tools that we want to discuss. AI Comic Factory and Ideogram.ai are 2 incredible AI tools that cater to different creative needs. AI Comic Factory's diverse styles and collaborative storytelling potential make it a valuable resource for comic enthusiasts. Ideogram.ai, on the other hand, shines in graphic design tasks and logo creation, offering impressive AI image generation capabilities. What's great about both of these applications is how accessible they are to new creatives. They don't require a lot of knowledge when it comes to using them. It's perfect for learning the ropes in the creative world. Both tools are free to use, making them accessible to creators looking to explore the possibilities of AI-driven art and storytelling. Sure, there might be a lot of controversy in regards to integrating AI into art, but what if we actually use it properly? We can still create meaningful and creative art pieces while taking inspiration from AI. It doesn't have to be something that takes away the glory from artists who create original pieces from scratch. As long as you use it responsibly, then AI can always be beneficial for a lot of people. We hope you found this exploration of these AI tools inspiring and informative. Before we sign off, we would also like to thank our viewers for continuously supporting the channel. We wouldn't be here without all of you after all. Here at Amazing AI, we always make sure to provide you with news and other updates in relation to this field of knowledge. If you want to stay tuned to what the Amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.